In this video, I will be talking about Bitcoin that is going to be creating a tremendous move here in the coming 24 hours. So make sure to watch this video to exactly find out about where Bitcoin is heading towards next, and also about my next trading opportunity on the market right now. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It's going to be extremely important to be paying attention towards this content, because I will be discussing this and the most other important charts to be watching right now here. Yesterday we were extremely close by smashing it up to 400 likes. Can we do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to like the video and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, on that 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see there is currently a price compression, and Bitcoin will be most certainly create a very big move in the coming 24 hours ahead of ourselves. Whether it's going to be bullish or bearish will be really depend on either if we do break the resistance on the top side, or if we break the upward sloping support line here on the chart. So make sure to be watching the Bitcoin price action right now here, because yes, this could be leading towards an extremely good trading opportunity. Currently, we can clearly see the price action of Bitcoin has been forming that lower high structure, but at the same time we're forming higher lows, and as soon as we're going to see a trend where we're going to confirm a lower low, we will be most likely see a continuation of this trend. Or as soon as we do see a higher high getting created, we will be most likely see a continuation of that trend. And how I will be trading this is exactly on how you should be trading a trend. You will be looking at the previous high or at the previous low in the market, what is in this case the 18.8k, and what is on the top side the 19.2k. If we do break above the region, I will be longing the support, and if we do break below the region, I will be shorting the previous support that will be flipping into resistance. It is that simple currently to look at the Bitcoin price action, because also once looking at the 4 hourly time frame, we can clearly see this price compression is really happening right now, and this will be leading towards a tremendous good trading opportunity in the market. So once again, we can clearly see a beautiful symmetrical triangle, a beautiful price compression, and in the approximately 20 to 24 hours, we will be seeing that breakout for Bitcoin, and that will be determined whether we're either going to be breaking bullish or bearish. And also over here, you could be trading this in two ways, either the breakout of the down sloping resistance line or the break below the support, and of course the previous low on the market to be longing or shorting that. If I will be talking about my price target, I talked about this yesterday as well, but to quickly identify and confirm it to everyone out there on the channel, if we're going to be looking at the price target towards the downside and upside, it's going to be very simple. The price target on the top side is going to be this approximately 20.1k level here on the top side. That is where I will be taking my profits off the table, and on the lower side, in case we are going to be having a breakdown, is going to be somewhere around that 17.9k or 17.8k. So yes, please make sure to watch these levels. I am going to be taking a significant amount of profit if we do reach these targets after the breakout is going to be happening. So most likely, depending on how the market is going to be looking on that point, and if you want to be finding out about what I will be doing after I open that long or short, I would definitely highly recommend for you to subscribe to the channel right now here. But I will definitely take a majority of my position out on these levels, and for sure my stop loss will be moving in towards profit. Furthermore, if I really am going to be looking at the next real big levels for Bitcoin to be breaking here on the 4 hourly time frame, we can clearly see the big resistance for Bitcoin is going to be on the top side of 20.4k. If we really clearly see a break back above the 20.4k, I'm going to be flipping bullish on Bitcoin. However, currently we are still in that bearish trend, like you can currently clearly see, right? We're forming lower highs. We are basically in a very bearish trend here. We're also forming a lower low than the previous low right here, and due to that fact, I am definitely a little bit more bearish on Bitcoin, and unfortunately my odds of where Bitcoin is most likely going to be breaking towards is going to be towards the downside target, due to the trend Bitcoin has been already trading in the past hours before. Furthermore, if we really look at the 4 hourly time frame, we can currently see that Bitcoin did clearly broke bullish of the falling wedge. However, we are currently going to be looking at the main scenario to the symmetrical triangle right here, because this price compression is definitely the most beautiful pattern to be looking right now on Bitcoin. And if you are actually interested in trading, don't forget to check out the highest link in the description, where you can sign up a new account on Bybit, because if you do right now sign up a new account on Bybit and use the link in the description, you can be claiming a free $1,000 in an Ethereum long or short position. There's currently only 7% left of the supply. Yesterday it was 11, so it's going very quickly. So make sure to get a new account, deposit $1,000, and you can claim a free $1,000 position on the Bybit exchange. And this is indeed going to be for limited time only, and there is only limited supply, so only 7% left here. So make sure to get a new account as soon as possible, because if you already have an account on Bybit, it's unfortunately not going to be valid for you. Furthermore, I am also currently in a small little trade right here on Bitcoin. This is a short trade, and the nice part about this trade is that this is a trade that automatically gets placed for me by using the cryptocurrency trading algorithm called CryptoC. So if you want to be getting your hands on the state-of-the-art cryptocurrency trading algorithm that makes around 60 to 70% returns every single year, don't forget to go to www.cryptoc.com to find out about more information about our performance, how we exactly work, and more that kind of stuff. And yeah, you could also follow us on Instagram at CryptoC where you can also see these amazing posts where you can basically clearly see a CryptoC website review on how we actually work and how you can get your hands on our state-of-the-art cryptocurrency trading algorithm. So make sure to check it out. All the links are in the description because this is definitely, in my opinion, a revolutionary product that we finally released here on the market. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin, we are still trading in this extremely dangerous pattern called the head and shoulders pattern. A head and shoulders pattern is a typical bearish bias pattern that we can currently clearly see getting formed on the daily time frame. And what I really will be looking at is, of course, that base price for Bitcoin. If we do break below the base price for Bitcoin, I am honestly going to be targeting for levels around $17,000 to $14,000 for Bitcoin. So make sure that you always are going to be having enough capital to deploy on the market if we are going to be seeing this breakdown. However, if Bitcoin is going to be seeing a higher high than the previous high right here, I definitely will be switching my bias up here. So yeah, we're going to currently just look at the imminent term. Look at how Bitcoin is going to be reacting towards this potential breakout on the 4-hourly time frame. I will be long or short it depending on which direction we're breaking out. And on the daily time frame, I will be just look at this main important level of the daily support. Furthermore, on the weekly time frame, I still want to be pointing out, I honestly do think, yes, the market is down significantly, that this is still one of the best buying opportunities that you will probably get in your lifetime. We are currently in a very big problem. We are in a recession worldwide, but usually recessions also means great opportunities, and that is for the stock market and also for businesses. So I honestly do think that this is going to be a generational opportunity. Not today. I don't expect Bitcoin is going to be pumping to the moon and to new optimize tomorrow. However, I do honestly think that this is a very fair valuation for accumulating Bitcoin, and history repeats every single time once Bitcoin goes negative in towards that EMA ribbon. We see Bitcoin is in an extremely bearish market and basically in a big bear market, but also at the same time, it equals the biggest opportunities that we basically see in the market. So make sure that you will be benefiting from the market right now here because, yeah, I don't know for how long the opportunity will last. Maybe it will last for another 300 days, maybe only for another 50 days, or maybe for another few days here. So make sure to get ready for the next big run up. I am currently dollar cost averaging in towards the market every single day. Make sure that you also have a dollar cost average strategy to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, because I personally think, in my opinion, that accumulating as much Bitcoin as possible is the way to go to building wealth in the future. Anyways, this was it for today's update video. If you do enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you do enjoy the content, and peace out. Thank you so much for watching.